Hai, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh, which is respected by my lecturer, that is Miss Liana binti Rosli. Okay, today my group that is including myself, Muhammad Kushairi bin Asri, metric number is 10DKA21F1133. Second, Muhammad Amirul bin Jaafar, metric number is 10DKA21F1108. 3. Christina Farisha binti Muhammad Fauzi, metric number is 10DKA21F1129. Lastly, Nur Atikah binti Ahmad Tarmizi, metric number is 10DKA21F1120. Who will present on the title, The Application of Differentiation. Without wasting time, let's start the presentation session.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh and good morning for all of you. First, let me introduce myself. My name is Muhammad Amirul bin Jaafar and my matrix number is 01DKA21F1108 from the class DKA 2D. So today I will present about introduction of differentiation, example of application of differentiation of real life, and last I will explain what the question was. Firstly, introduction of differentiation. Differentiation is used widely in solving problems, especially in engineering, medical, commerce, and many other fields. When you find the rate of change of a quantity with respect to another quantity, you are actually doing differentiation. Another name for differentiation is the derivative of the function. Differentiation in mathematics, the process of finding a derivative or rate change a function, in contrast to the abstract nature of the theory. On the contrary, practical technique of differentiation can be carried out purely algebraically, manipulation using three basic derivatives, four operating rules, and a knowledge of how to manipulate function. Okay, next, when a person is running up a hill, his vertical height will change with respect to his horizontal height. The rate of change of vertical height with respect to horizontal height is called its gradient. Generally, to find the differentiation of y with respect to x, just write to symbol dy per dx to represent it. Next, I will present about example of application of differentiation of real life. Firstly, engineering. In engineering, differentiation helps with a lot of wear in the application piston, which are widely used not only in shipping but also vehicle. Differentiation allows us to discover and apply the piston used in all areas. These findings are very important and useful to us as a result of this development. So not only engineering but economy and chemistry also use application differentiation. For detailed example of application or differentiation of real life is to calculate the profit and loss in business using graph, to check the temperature variation, to determine the speed or distance covered such as miles per hour and kilometer per hour. Net derivative are used to derive many equations in physics and last in the study of seismology, like to find the range or magnitude of the earthquake. Okay, so this is the question that will be solved by my group member. Okay, my group member will solve how to find the impression for gradient of curve by using differentiation, how to find the coordinate of any stationary point on the curve, how many stationary points does the graph have, how to determine y-intercept point, how to determine the nature of any stationary point, and last, how to sketch the graph or the curve. Okay, that's all from me. Thank you. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Nur Aina Atika bint Ahmad Tamizi and my matrix number is 01DK81F1120. So for my part is I have to solve some questions A, B, C and E. The graph of a curve with equation equal to x cubed plus 3x squared minus 9x plus 6. So, A. Use differentiation to find expression for gradient a curve dy per dx, which is difference for y per difference for x. So for the solution A, we use power rule. So we got dy per dx 3x squared plus 6x minus 9. Okay. Question B. Find the coordinate of any stationary point of the curve. So for the solution, dy per dx equal to 0, 3x squared plus 6x minus 9 equal to 0. So we have to simplify. So x squared plus 2x minus 3 equal to 0. So in bracket x minus 1 close bracket and open back bracket x plus 3 equal to 0. So we got x equal to 1 and x equal to negative 3. The next step is when x equal to 1, y equal to bracket 1 cube plus 3 bracket 1 square minus 9 bracket 1 plus 6. So we got 1. So we use negative 3. When x equal to negative 3, y equal to bracket negative 3 cube plus 3 bracket negative 3 square minus 9 bracket negative 3 plus 6. So we got 33. For the question C, how many stationary points does the graph have? So the answer is 2, which is 1, 1 and negative 3, 33. For the last question E, determine the nature of any stationary point you found in part C. Justify your answer. For the solution E, we need to differentiate dy per dx for the second time. So dy per dx equal to 3x square plus 6x minus 9. So d square y per dx square minus 2, we got 6x plus 6. So when x equal to 1, so d square y per dx square equal to 6 bracket 1 plus 6. So we got 12. So 12 is a minimum point. And when x equal to 3, negative 3, so we got negative 12. So it's for maximum point. That's all from me. Thank you.
Hello and Assalamualaikum everyone. First, I would like to introduce myself first. I am Christina Farisha binti Mahfauzi and you guys can call me Christina. My register number is 01DK21F1129. I am from group 5. Here, I would like to explain the graph and also the intercept that I have obtained from the results of answering questions together with my group members. The graph below is the resulting shape obtained from the question that was answered by me and my teammate Yuri. Okay, first of all, how in that has x0 and y6? I got the x0 and y6 from the answer that was intercepted. Okay, for example like this, you guys can see the example in the slide. Okay, can you all see the working pad for intercept y below? Okay, this is a working pad for the x0 and y6. That is y equal intercept. Okay, y equal x power 3 minus 3x power 2 minus 9x plus 6. Then for x, you must to put 0 at here. Okay, so it's going to be like this. Y equal open the bracket and you must to put at here 0. Then you close the bracket and you write the power 3. Then minus 3, open the bracket and you put 0 and close the bracket and you write the power 2. Minus 9x plus 6. Then the total is y equals 6. For other statement, it is found in the answer that has been explained by Aina. That is, it is found from the answer to the stationary points. So when everything is combined, then the result is a paragraph in the shape below.
Hi, Assalamualaikum. My name is Muhammad Kushairi bin Asri. My metric number is 10DKA21F1133. Okay, the summary that can be made in this topic is brief again finishing that calculation on the topic, the application of differentiation. This is not an easy thing because it requires a very deep understanding and understanding to solve it. But the challenge is all not an obstacle for you not to master it and try to solve it. Therefore, you are able to solve it as best you can if you follow every step that our group explained a moment ago correctly. A very difficulty will surely have a will out. Therefore, my hope is that you need to do mood revision on this topic because it is able to increase your self-understanding. This will make you proficient as well as be able to solve various types of questions from given. Finally, you are able to score full mark on this topic. Okay, that's it from our group. Sekian, terima kasih diucapkan.